Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm working on a Nissan Versa. I'm going to show you how to remove your window lock switch, the window switch. So the one I'm going to change is going to be the driver switch, and your car might have a mat in here. You're going to need to take out the mat, but I decided to change all the switches. I decided to show you guys how to change all the switches. So if I change this switch, it's going to be the same thing for that switch right there for the passenger front switch, and if I change one box switch, it's going to be the same for the other side switch. So let's get started and how to change your switch. So you're going to need a pick to remove the mat that normally here. There's one in the back door, so you will see it when I do the back one. And if something is here on your car, you need a pick to remove it. Alright, so none is there for this one, so you want to get your let's say T15 torque, and we'll leave a link in the description for all the tools I use. So T15 torque, you can get a T15 screwdriver, or you can get this. I'll probably leave a link for the screwdriver down there. So T15 so far. Remove that. The next step is you can hold this, or try to find a way between here and between the door and the switch bezel. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do next. So your next step is to identify, get it to focus. Your next step is to identify the gap between there. So you want to get a flathead screwdriver and lift up on it, but it's nice to pry away. It's nice to get it, go right here, lift it up a little bit, and take and work your way in, or you can just like what just happened for me, as you see. And yeah, that's it. Get this out. You wanna get your finger and go right here, squeeze it right there, and get it to focus. If it will, get it to focus, and then squeeze this clip right here. So this clip right here, you wanna squeeze this clip right here. Same thing for this one. Locate this right here, squeeze this, and pull on it, and it will come off just like that. Alright, so you want to get the said screwdriver. There are going to be 4 of these little clips. If you can focus. So you're going to be 4 of these little clips right here. You just want to pry them back while pulling on this at the same time, and the switch will come right out like this. Alright, so these are the 4 little tabs I was showing you. Alright, so the next step is to get your new switch or used switch, whichever work or whichever may be cheaper for you. Make sure you get the correct one that have for your car. If your car have 2 automatic, you get the same thing. Or if you have 1 automatic, you make sure you get the one with 1 automatic. Okay, all right, so let's get the new one, line it up and press it in. Once you press it in, it will lock right into place. You can go ahead and try. Make sure the switch works. So you just need to plug the plug in the right spot. They can only go in one way, so don't if you're not going in one way, you just turn it around, make sure it goes in properly. It can only goes in one way. All right, so let's start the car up. Let's check the window, make sure it all works. Okay, so that worked. That worked. That worked. That worked. Driver one work. Passenger work. And the back one work, up and down. This one right here, up and down, it worked also. So the reason why I changed the switch, it was because the driver window wasn't working. So you just want to line it up like that and just tap it in. Get your screw right here. Once again, I'm going to leave a link in the description for all the tools I use. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Let's get to the back window, so in case you're changing the switch for the back window. Okay. All right, guys, so this is the back. This is the mat I was telling you when I was taking out the front. So this, you're gonna need this, or even the flathead screwdriver can do that, but you're gonna need this. Get your T15 torque. It's gonna be the same procedure. It's gonna be the same procedure like the front. So it's gonna be the same procedure like the front. So you just want to take that out. Get your flathead screwdriver. So once you get your flathead screwdriver, you just find the gap right here or here, whichever way you can find it. Take it out like that. You want to unplug it like this. So you see I unplug it. Then you have two tabs. The front tab 4, this have 2. So you squeeze this tab right here while pushing on this side, and squeeze the other tab on the other side, and it comes out like that. Alright, it's very easy. You will get your new switch and install your new switch like that, and like this. Line up the holes. So you want to line up the holes, put it in, make sure your switch works. And yeah, it worked. Get your T15 and put back your screw. So I'm just gonna put a link in the description for a T15 torque screwdriver, because you really don't need all this extra stuff. If you have a screwdriver, you can just do it like that, very easy. Get your mat. Your mat is in, and that's it, guys. Thank you for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Alright, peace out. Give me a like if I help you. Peace out. See you next time.